Hi, welcome to the Power BI showcase of the consolidated financials for Dynamics NAV. The consolidated means all the companies in the NAV database are aggregated to be viewed together or individually, as we can tell from the company slicer. The financials means the data model included data from general ledger, budget, customer, and the vendor ledger to allow you to view business metrics, track the budget, forecast the cash flow by fiscal periods defined in the accounting period in NAV. In the CFO dashboard, we have KPIs as well as the visuals for the net income, gross profit, and operating expenses. The multidimensional data model empowers the further analysis at the speed of the thought. For example, to drill from account category to subcategories for the net incomes, or view the net income by other financial dimensions. For example, area. The controller dashboard helps to manage account receivable and account payable across all the selected companies. Essentially, it gives you the consolidated AR and AP aging and the overall budget tracking. The sales dashboard provides the insights of the sales by month, region, and the salesperson, as well as the inventory turnover and the days inventory outstanding. In a similar fashion, there is the purchase dashboard. The customer dashboard focuses on the customer analysis with links to open the NAV customer card. We've talked about the dimensions being used to view the net income by area. Here are some other examples. Philosophically, the dimensions helps to analysis the when, where, who, and what, to understand why and how. The income statement dashboard presents the financial performance that can be sliced by company and by other dimensions. In summary, this Power BI showcase of the consolidated financials for Dynamics NAV can help your decision making by identifying the right time, right place, and right people. Thank you for watching.